City Unity College. City Unity College was founded in 1999 as a branch of American University of Seattle and one of the most famous private colleges in Athens. It has two campuses, one is in Athens, another is in Patras. City Unity College ranked second position in Webometrics ranking wave of world universities in Greece and 17,843 in all universities in world, 2,804 all universities in Europe. This European college is providing 9 undergraduate programs collaborating with these colleges. The programs are BA in Business and Management, Psychology, Physical Education and Sports, Information, Legal, Merchant Marine Academy, Maritime Studies, Hotels and Tourism, Theology, Education, and the post-graduation courses are Business Administration, Psychology, Information, Legal, Education, Merchant Marine Academy, Maritime Studies, Hotels and Tourism, Political Science and International Relations. All the programs are provided in English and Greek language. Let's talk about duration of courses. All undergraduate courses are for 3 years and for masters it's 3 semesters in 1 year and an additional semester for full-time students. For part-time students 5 semesters in 2 years and an additional semester will be there. Let's move to requirement to take admission in this private college. First of all, you will need a high school diploma or equivalent with a grade of at least 60% of the upper school grade. Color photograph, copy of police ID, personal statement, English language proficiency certificate and 2 reference letter for master's students is required. In IELTS, you will need 5 band for the courses of City Unity College programs and 5.5 for Cardiff College programs. Let's move to tuition fees. For international students, here are the chart of tuition fees. For citizens of Greece, bachelor programs will be provided between 2,200 euro to 3,200 euro and the master's programs are between 3,200 euro to 4,200 euro. There are 2 intakes in City Unity College, one is February, another is October. If talk about application fee, 300 euro for international students, which is absolutely refundable in cases. A scholarship as an international and national student, you can get 5 to 10% off on your tuition fee. The chance of getting discount will increase if you apply for October intake. Here in description I am adding the college website link and contact number.